Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we're going to be doing a chest and tricep day. Now we're going to be focused on building muscle mass. Just want to show you guys my improvement. 2025 is about to end. 2026 is going to be a huge year for me, not only in fitness, but in a whole bunch of different areas in my life. So this was me in the start of 2025 in January, and this is me now. So this is just to show you guys the credentials, the work that I was able to put in over this last year. I'm a practitioner, not someone that just read a book and decided I know how to build muscle mass or how to gain weight. I did my research and then I went out there and I actually did it. And this channel is going to be perfect for somebody who is already skinny, someone who is having trouble gaining weight or building muscle mass, someone who's having trouble sticking to a diet or eating. A little secret is I was able to build this physique and I was able to build over 20 pounds of muscle only eating 2 meals a day. Now, I'm not training to be a bodybuilder. If I was, I would be eating a lot more. But if you are looking to gain muscle mass and you are having issues doing that right now, this is the perfect page to subscribe to. So follow all my social medias. They're going to be down right below here. You'll also find them in the description, and also subscribe to the channel. And also drop down in the comments what type of videos you guys would like to see on this channel. Let's get straight into the chest day, y'all. Let's go.
that.